Cartrefi Cymru Co-operative is a not-for-profit, multi-stakeholder cooperative that supports people with learning disabilities in Wales to lead fulfilled lives at home and in the community. We summarise our activities with 3 words: respect, safeguard and enable. The best part of being a cooperative is people we support, employees and community supporters coming together as equals.
Well, I think the co-op's a really good opportunity for service users, for staff, for the community at large to get together on something really positive and bring all those talents and all those ideas that different people have and just bring them all together for the good of all of us, really. I just think it's a really exciting way of moving forward.
Remember how he goes on?
Yeah.
Come on then. Snag the handle. Fold him down. No, other way.
That way.
Yeah, fold him forward.
In 2017, Cartrefi Cymru became a multi-stakeholder cooperative with a constitutional commitment to sharing power and building community.
I think it might excite people to join the cooperative by giving people a vote, to be able to do what they like as a community, to make people get together and enjoy themselves as a whole rather than as doing things individually.
Have you enjoyed yourself today, John?
Yes, I have.
And are you going to make more planters like this?
Yeah, I'll put them in the community.
To brighten the place up a bit?
Yeah,
What do you enjoy about it?
doing the gardening bit.
Cartrefi's mission is to enable people to enjoy fulfilled lives as valued members of our communities in Wales. Providing the best support so that people achieve the best outcomes is the thing that gives us the most pride.
How are you involved in making your community a better place?
I help with the shoebox peel and I do shopping project.
And do you feel as a co-op member you have more of a say in the way you are supported by Cartrefi?
I would say how I'm supported and what I want to do.
As a co-op member, I do, yes. I think I have a say in how events and the co-op is run. Today really says it all that everybody wants to get involved. We're doing the shoebox appeal for the Women's Refuge in Pontypridd. We've all been involved in bringing various gifts in, filling the bags for women as well as children.
I love the fact that I am currently a co-chair of our local cooperative. I love how we are now able to appreciate that both staff and people that we support are able to have a voice and to voice their opinions to the company as a whole.
And this is where the cooperative can come to the fore to help in the community. People need to talk. Everybody has a voice, irrespective of who they are, and I think that voice is very important.
The decision making that affects you, I think, is very important to be involved in something like the co-op. It means that people we support can get out into the community more, have more of a presence, and I think that's very important today.
I'm involved in with the bags, and also I've been making the snowman and the reindeers.
So you like working with other people?
Yeah.
The group we run is called Flyers, where we produce various printed merchandise. We run a social enterprise with people we support, and we bring them together in a work environment and also in a social environment, so they're able to get together in groups, they share experiences.
So I think being a member of the co-op itself, I think, is key. And then kind of being an active member of it, then realising that the sky's the limit, really. You know, if you can think it, if you can get other people enthused and interested in doing it, then you can do it. So I think that's really what involvement means for me, you know.
Founded in 1989 by a group of parents and activists, Cartrefi Cymru's goal has been and will continue to be to give rural Wales and the valleys a cutting-edge support provider, so that people with learning disabilities, autism, physical disabilities and challenging behaviour can enjoy their rights and freedom within the community and in their own home. We are Cartrefi Cymru Co-operative.